today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
So you're thinking about putting a manufactured home down on a piece of property you bought in Florida? So the whole reason I'm doing this video is because when I purchased this home, I had no idea what it would take. So that's it right there, boys. I'm gonna have to build myself a little shed here. Then the electrician's gonna have to run their line from here over to the house. I didn't even hear him come in this morning. I wish I did, because it looks like they did a gallon per minute flow and all that. Well, when the electrician comes, we'll do another test on it. Jeez, I couldn't put that valve straight. This must be some kind of a sediment filter. I wish they would have left that straight. Get my OCD going. So I'm definitely going to put some kind of shed here. I have a feeling I may need a filter like my other house. Thank you, Kirby and Caesar. And if I do, those guys will be hooking me up again like last time, because this has very high iron content here. Well, my other house did. Maybe a 8 by 10 shed. I believe that's that one. That might be a hair smaller. So that means when the electrician runs its wire, I don't know how many horsepower pump that is, but it'll probably end up having to be a 10.3. So it has 220 and a neutral. So you can plug in your whatever other apparatuses this may need. How's it going?
How we doing?
Good.
There probably ain't no easier way out that way, is there?
Oh, you mean to get out of the road?
Yes, sir. Yeah, trying to find a spot whenever I leave out of here, trying to find a spot to turn around. I don't want to just back up nobody's driveway. I can't back up this hill right here.
You can come in my driveway.
Yeah.
I can open the gate up. It's
Right,
more
back
solid.
There's a spot right up there where that big shed and that boat is. I might be able to back into, but I don't want to just be backing no one's driveway.
Oh, John's? Yeah, I know him.
Okay.
I could let him know.
If I could get turned around, I'll be alright going back out that way.
What do you do? You're the interior guy?
That's
Or
what I'm doing, the steps.
Oh, you're the steps. Okay.
All this stuff back here gets real sugar sand back in here.
Yeah, tell me about it. Especially when there's no rain. So what do you build them first?
We build the order. Whatever the order comes in, we build. And we have me and 2 other guys that deliver.
I got a tractor with a bucket if you want to bring it in that way.
I have a Bobcat.
Oh, okay. So what'd you do with this one? You angle off or straight off?
What's that? Oh, this comes straight out.
Straight out? Alright. And this does the whole door? I was curious. Oh no, just part of it?
Just the slider there, which I don't know why they don't go ahead and just do the whole thing, really.
Yeah, you could turn around in his driveway if you want. Yeah, he won't care. I'll just send him a message.
I have full drive, but I'm so heavy. Most of the time, it don't make a difference.
All right, man.
All right, I'll get to work and I'll go down there, turn around, and come back this way.
All right.
A few moments later.
So they got the stairs installed on both sides. I was really hoping they'd go with a double wide landing on this one with the slider. But I want to put a deck out here anyway. That'll do just fine. Getting her done. Wow. That's good, huh?
That's a big tank. And it's got 2 cleanouts.
1,000 gallon.
And they leveled it?
Yeah, he put the level on it after he did the hole,
Yep.
and it was perfect.
Yep.
I'm surprised they didn't use a plastic, but I'm glad it's that, not plastic. That's a good operator right there.
Oh yeah.
The way he had that whole thing flattened right out. He put the level on it. I was like, man, he's good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Got the pipe getting ready to go there.
Yeah. They're well organized and they work together. See all that was all coming
look
in
how
here.
dry.
Yeah.
I wonder if they use those galleys, or not galleys, what do they call those? Infiltrators? They're like little upside down plastic. Man, that's some good sand though, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why when he did the perk test, he's like, yeah, this is good. How can it not be? Look at it. I mean, it's dry now.
And then 80 feet, you got all that gushing water.
It's 10 feet from the top. You could see it in the hole if you look. Well, now you can't because it's covered.
Right.
Oh, yeah, he's been doing this a long time.
Yeah.
You see the power those machines
I
have?
know.
Oh, shit.
Especially on tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's no baffles anymore. They just use an elbow and a pipe that drops. And then there's usually a pipe that comes up too, so you could see down. These are the same people that did the well. Same company. But you see, if you got people like that, you make money.
Yeah.
Because they know what they're doing, and you pay them good, so they don't want to go anywhere.
Then if they can see where it is.
Yeah, a bunch of black things they had, you know, like pictures I see.
I think that's for the infiltrators. Wow, they ain't messing around. They
Oh,
got
I
two
know.
machines running. I don't even think they need septic sand here with that type of sand.
No.
Look at it.
Right.
I mean, you can see the top has like a little bit of clay, but
Yep.
once he goes down in there, I mean, now you ain't gonna get no better than that. Wow. That skid steer's got some power. See, and he knows exactly the grade he's got to go. That's why
Yep.
he's digging down and doing the level.
Yep.
Wow. Now if we had water, we can go poopy.
We got electric.
And electric. Well, no, all we need is water. You just pour it in once it's connected. Just take a little 5-gallon pail of water.
Right.
Look how level we got that from here.
He's got the laser on it. That guy knows what he's doing too.
Those are good machines. These machines.
Oh, I know.
That's good.
That's why there's so much money. Those things are a lot of money.
Yeah, see what he did?
Yeah.
He went and he figured and he told him that much more.
Yeah, he's got the laser level out.
Yeah.
You want it perfectly level because you want the water to be in that level.
Usually good.
Man, that guy's good. You see him dig down and then go level?
Yep. I goes fast.
That's good to keep the weight in it.
See, now he's going to angle the bucket good and give it a dig.
Wow.
I wonder how much that cost.
What?
The septic job.
It was cheaper than the well. I think it was $12,000 for the whole job.
God, that guy is fast and
He's
accurate.
good. He lifts that bucket right up perfect. So it looks like they're doing 4 rows.
Just thinks.
There they are, the black things.
Yeah.
I sent you the picture.
Infiltrators. I should have put my time-lapse video, huh?
Yeah.
It's almost like they're that way now.
One thing you don't have to worry about. Huh? Look at this.
just 2 people?
That's a young guy running that excavator. That's pretty
It's
good.
3:30. They've been here a half an hour.
Yeah, so they'll be done in an hour. So maybe they could do 5 jobs a day.
It's the transporting the machinery that's taken them the most time, I would think.
Man, you guys are quick. Holy cow. And good. You got some good operators. They all deserve more money.
I don't have to buy them lunch.
Oh, man. Yeah, I can't believe it. Like a well-oiled machine, everybody works perfectly together.
This is actually our 6th one today.
Oh, you did 6 today? Yeah. This is 6.
This is number 6.
Man. Hey, that's the way to do it, man. You can make that money doing when you guys are that synchronous, working together.
My well crew's pretty close to the same.
Yeah, he was good. He was here yesterday.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're the owner?
Oh, yeah. Bart Andrews, this is my son, Luke, there. Me and him, Jonah. We ain't got kids, dude.
No.
Yeah, I just gonna say, just don't let them out here, because these fucking inspectors, if this thing is off a cunt here, they'll throw it.
They got to inspect it before you cover it. That's right.
We moved that tank a little bit, but we didn't get down there too far. But we brought it back here, and it shouldn't mess with you.
That's fine. How long did it take them to get out here?
We just put them in when they inspect them. I got a crew that comes behind me steadily covered.
I guess doing the COs, they're taking the time. I guess maybe this stuff, it's different because it's a different department.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because everybody here's got to come together and sign off.
Oh, right,
So
right.
The electrician, they got to inspect his, the well, the water lines, everything.
Oh, yeah.
So I think we deal with like 5 or 6 different inspectors. They do 3 to 5 every day.
Wow.
The front of that infiltrator drops, pick it up. The T's sloping down.
You could drive a small car over if you have to.
Yeah, I wouldn't drive over this at all.
Don't drive over that at all. Up north, we got a truck in the septic sand.
We actually, the other 4 we did, they're mounds. We're trucking it in now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we did 4 mounds and 2 underground, or 5 mounds and 1 underground.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm high enough from the water.
Yeah, because really, right down there is a fucking mound.
Yeah, and that well is plenty far away from the end of there.
Pop that well off when you get power. Turn that spigot on, let it run, it clears up.
Okay.
Before it runs to your house.
Oh, yeah.
Let that bitch run.
Yeah, because there's going to be a lot of sediment that's going to get into everything.
People don't
Yep.
understand that shit. There's a lot of...
Well, even when I do the sinks, I pull all the strainers out, and then you open it up to get it through, even when it's connected. You don't know what's in the pipes.
Well, brother, you have a good day.
You too, man. Wow, these guys were the fastest and most efficient crew I've ever seen in my life. They did this whole job in 40 minutes. Like a well-oiled machine. So if you're looking for a company to put in your well and your septic, the company name is Andrew's Well and Septic Company. Highly recommended. Stay tuned for the next video, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.